Welcome. If you want to clone apps in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now let's scroll down, click on the apps, then use dual apps. And right here we got all apps that support the dual mode. So for example, we can clone Facebook, click on the turn on, and as you can see it's creating the dual app. And the icon was added to the home screen. And right now we can try to do this with the second application. Maybe we can use the Netflix. So right now let's check if it is working. So here we get the Netflix and the Facebook, and there's the dual icon from the second app. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.